So back to JD Vance. All right, this is interesting because as recently as I think the last one I saw was July 16th, so a couple of weeks ago, if you typed in Google JD Vance height, little box came up on the right hand corner, it showed a picture of him, and it said 5'7". Okay, doesn't do that now, and like I said, that was 2 weeks ago. This picture here, Trump is listed at 6'2". Okay, this guy's clearly not 5'7". He's now listed at 6'2", an inch below Trump. So this photo, I'm like, yeah, okay, that guy's an inch shorter than Trump. His wife, Usha, or whatever her name is, this Paige here, she's listed at 5'4", okay? So she's got some heels on here. They're probably, I don't know, 2.5, maybe 3 inches. They're the same height, okay? So 5'4" to 5'7". So that to me looks like a dude that's 5'7" and a lady at 5'4" with some heels on. All right. And a lot of it depends on what photo you like, the time frame. It seems like the newer ones, he's either really tall or short, and the older ones, it's like they're mixing them again with this. They're doing like a weird scrub on the internet. They're making things confusing because you can see photos where it kind of looks like they're wearing the same outfits, and they may be, and there's a vast difference in the two pictures. Like this one here, I think I have some more pictures where he's got the blue tie and she's got the blue dress. Here they're clearly eye to eye, but there's other ones from that same event where it looks different. Let's put it that way. Also, she apparently made a comment recently saying how she still isn't used to the beard. Okay, almost like a little truth drop. Let's see. Okay, so here it is again: blue tie, blue dress. Here, the top of her head hits basically his hairline, okay? So she either just shrank about 3 inches. I mean, maybe she kicked her heels off, and she's 5'4". That'd still put him at 5'7". Be weird to be on stage in front of a bunch of people and suddenly just, like, kick your heels off, but okay. Then you get this one, which is, again, top of the head, kind of by the hairline. So if she's 5'4" with heels, yeah, puts him at still around 5'7". That first image, remember, he was with Trump, he was 6'2". And then you look at this one. Okay, what's going on here? She comes up to his chin, all right? She's clearly looking up at him. We just saw photos where they're almost eye to eye. Top of her head goes to his hairline. I mean, that's almost eye to eye. And what's going on here? Okay. I'm just going to say there's some shenanigans going on with this JD Vance guy. It's a lot like the Biden thing where suddenly there's some Bidens that are ridiculously tall. Some that have like a butt chin. I mean, there's like multiple Bidens. I think they're doing the same thing with Vance. I don't know why. I don't know what's going on. I don't think that is the original quote unquote JD Vance. I could be wrong, but there's definitely some weird stuff going on with heights. So something to keep an eye on. And one thing people need to understand is that